Making money through peer-to-peer (P2P) platforms can be a viable option if you're looking for alternative investment opportunities or ways to generate passive income. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Peer-to-peer lending. P2P lending platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders. You can earn money by lending your funds to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. Diversify your investments across multiple borrowers to spread risk. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Some P2P platforms specialize in real estate crowdfunding. You can invest in property projects alongside other investors and earn returns from rental income or property appreciation. 3. Peer-to-peer investing. Invest in small businesses or startups through P2P equity crowdfunding. As the business grows, your equity stake can increase in value, potentially leading to profits when the company is sold or goes public. 4. Cryptocurrency P2P trading. Participate in P2P cryptocurrency trading platforms to buy and sell digital assets. You can profit from price fluctuations and potentially earn commissions as a trader. 5. Peer-to-peer rental. Rent out assets you own, such as a spare room on Airbnb or your car on platforms like Turo. This can provide a steady stream of income. 6. Peer-to-peer services. Offer your services or expertise on P2P platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancing can be a flexible way to earn money. 7. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on P2P affiliate marketing networks. Earn commissions for each sale or lead generated through your referral links. 8. Peer-to-peer sales. Use P2P marketplaces like eBay or Etsy to sell items you no longer need or create your own products for sale. Remember that P2P investments carry risks, including the potential loss of capital or defaults. Always conduct thorough research, diversify your investments, and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making significant P2P investments. Additionally, be aware of the legal and tax implications of your P2P income, which can vary by location.